You know,
Okay.
as an artist, we talk about that. It's okay to be done, but I'm not done yet.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today, once again, we're doing something really fun.
Yeah,
We
it's
are
always fun.
inspired for Valentine's Day by the hearts in San Francisco.
Oh, yeah.
There are a whole bunch of them in San Francisco that different artists decorated, and we made one. And we're going to decorate it, but we'll also show you how we made them. Okay, so I'm going to scoot this over a little bit so
Okay,
I have a
give me
little bit of
the-
space.
okay.
Now remember, if you're doing paper mache kind of stuff, cover your work area because this one's going to be a messy one.
I'm going to decorate. That's the fun
Okay.
part for me. Okay.
I'm using 2 small balloons. These are water balloons because we didn't want it to be too big. Okay, here we go. Let's try and make it not as big as that one because that was a little bit lumpy, but we'll just do our best.
It's a lumpy
I'm going to try
heart.
and make the balloons the same size. So here's one balloon.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Oh, that's a little bit bigger. So
Yes.
the next part is using an old file folder to create the bottom part of the heart and some tape. So I'm going to tape the bottom of the hearts together. That'll give that, you know, this part. And then I'm going to take, this is going to work. So we just make stuff and then hope it works all the
Yeah.
time.
And we look at what we have.
Yeah, so make a cone-like shape here. Be decorate-
Cone-ish. Oh, I'm watching you because
okay.
it's fascinating to watch.
I am so fascinated.
You are, yes. All right.
Okay, so I'm going to tape this cone-ish
ow.
thing together.
Jeez,
remembering that I need my, oh, here's my stick. Someone gave us a bunch of these small dowels.
Oh my goodness.
So I was using those. Okay, this is going to work. All right, so I'm putting my dowel in, and I'm going to attempt to get the top of my heart in.
Oh,
The top of my heart.
you might need you might need a friend to help.
Yeah, because you don't want it to go
It's
all over the
always good
place.
to have a friend to help.
It's always good to have friends, right? Okay, I'm going to flip it over to the other side, and I'll do that.
Okay, it's heart.
It's
Yes,
heart-ish, but
heart-ish,
it
very
looked,
nice.
it looked like that was,
Yeah,
that's
check
what
it
that
out.
one looked like too.
Very
Okay,
nice.
so now here's the beginning of our heart. I'm going to take
that
this
out.
down too, just so it
my
doesn't
hands?
move around. No, I'm good to go.
Okay, I'm gonna keep
Just have to
decorating.
go. Okay, we're just going to keep working while we're talking to you.
La, 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 la.
We are using not traditional paper mache. On this one, we're going to use plaster strips. But you can use we've done it before. We showed you how to make the paper mache using flour and water. 1 part flour to 2 parts water. You could do that with some strips of newspaper. We had this and it was going to be easy right now.
Yes.
So, here is the beginning of this. In this case, we're using the strips, so I'm going to do strips, water, and then our container here.
Ooh, I'm over here gluing away.
I know. I'm going to massage the holes to close them up.
Oh yes, waking it up. Wake up that paper mache.
I'm going to keep working on this. Miss Hazel, how are you doing on your decorating?
Oh, I'm decorating. I'll show you this way. I've got all kinds of little doodads that I'm gluing on it. It's very cool. Oh, I just saw a butterfly. That'd be kind of nice over in the flowers.
Yes.
Look at that. Yes.
And then we used an old can, an empty can. Our friend Carrie gives us a lot of cans, which is super nice. Thanks, Carrie. So
Thanks, Gary.
we painted this one and then filled it with sand. We did not get sand from the beach because you're not really supposed to do that. But we have some play sand here, so we used that. We filled it with sand and then stuck this stick in, which I'm going to have to do to let this thing dry. But I'm going to keep working on it now.
Yeah,
show
no,
you the
keep
sand.
decorating.
Okay, I'm going to show you the sand. I have it
yeah,
right
show
here.
us the sand, Miss Kate.
There's a bucket of sand here that we used for something else, but now I'm going to use it for this. Seem to make a mess wherever I go. Okay, I'm going to keep working on this. And Hazel's going to keep working on that until it's all done, but you're going to have to show the other side too. To
I
show
know, I'm
it.
going to keep working.
Okay. What are we working on this?
Hi friends, look at that.
Oh, that is so fun.
Pretty jazzy.
Yeah.
Jazzy. Oh, look at
It's
this.
up on our shelves.
Oh my goodness. I don't know. It kind of, oh, look at that. That looks like hair.
It does kind of look like
Fun
hair.
to make it into a face. Or maybe it could be down here. You know, I'm going to take the lesson from my friend Miss Kate, who doesn't overthink things. Going right up here. You know, as an artist, we talk about that. It's okay to be done, but I'm not done yet.
We have a whole other side to do.
I know. Oh my, look at all these fun things. Look at these. Okay. Oh, I found another butterfly. It's an eraser, a butterfly eraser. Oh, maybe
Oh yeah, I found it on the floor the other day.
I think
so
it's
drew it
wood.
there.
I hope it doesn't belong to some puzzle. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh.
What happened? I'm the one who put it in there though, so you just never know.
Oh. All right, well, okay. I'm going to feel like I'm done on this side.
Okay.
Ready for the big reveal. Ba, ba, da, ba, 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 ba.
Oh, it's so lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Now-
look for it on the shelf behind us eventually.
I think that now I'll go for a more minimalist look on the back. I don't know, or not. All right, everybody, we're almost done.
Okay, what are you gonna put on now?
Oh, smile.
Oh. Honey. Also, by the way, if you're using plaster strips, make sure you do not wash your hands in the sink. Always rinse them first.
All right, this
summarize.
side is a little bit more quiet. And this side is got the party. But then don't look what's behind you. Okay.
All right. Bye, everyone. Thanks. Hopefully, you were going to
Thanks
make
for
a fun
joining
heart.
us. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.
Bye, friends.